Hello everyone and welcome back to QuantPower. Today, we will learn how to log in using FYERS to QuantPower. First, go to the login section of QuantPower. Next, select FYERS from the list of brokers available. Enter your client ID and click on the Continue button. Next, you'll need to enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email address. You will be prompted to enter a 4-digit PIN. Enter the PIN and click on Sign In. Once you have entered the PIN, checkmark the I accept button and click Continue. Congratulations! You have now successfully logged into QuantPower using your FYERS account. Now, you can directly trade from QuantPower with ease and efficiency. So, if you are a FYERS user, make sure to follow these simple steps and take advantage of all the amazing features QuantPower has to offer. Thank you for watching.